The 2015 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, heated seats, dual airbags, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.